I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Infiniti Q50 mirror caps. Begin by parking safely, turning off the car, and collecting your tools: soft cloth, flat pry tool, gloves, and a small socket set. Work in a shaded area to protect trim and avoid direct sunlight. Keep clear, steady hands, and test gentle pressure points to find clips. If you meet resistance, stop and reassess to avoid breaking tabs or scratching paint. Start with the mirror folded inward for clear access and to protect the glass. Insert the soft pry tool at the top seam and apply steady, gentle pressure to pop the first clip free. Move to the lower clips, working incrementally around the cap, easing each clip out with patience. Keep the removed cap supported to prevent it from falling and cracking once released from its mounting points. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful car content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long garage sessions, fits cup holders, and won't leak when you're focused on trimming plastic tabs. I use one whenever I'm under the car, and it saves me trips inside. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When reinstalling, line up each tab carefully with its slot and press evenly until you hear the clip snap. If any clips are worn or broken, replace them first to ensure a secure fit and avoid rattles. Wipe surfaces clean to remove dirt that could impede proper seating. Finally, check mirror adjustment and heating to confirm electrical connections remain intact and the cap sits flush with the mirror housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.